Hello and welcome back to What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy recipe on how you can make some Ikan Lemak Chilli Padi. Let's get started. So here are some of the ingredients that we're going to need. 2 red onions, 5 cloves of garlic, 10 chili padi, I chose 5 green and 5 red, 2 lemongrass, and some coconut milk. And as for the fish, I've chose to use ikan kurau. You can use any other type of fish that you prefer. So we're going to start by preparing our paste. What we're going to do is just roughly chop up all of the ingredients, and we're going to spare one of the lemongrass, and I'm just going to use a blender for this, and I prefer to have my paste roughly chopped up and so that it has a kind of texture to it. So this is how the consistency is going to look like. After which, we're going to heat up the oil in our pot and we're going to fry our blended paste. Bruise the lemongrass that we left over and we're going to throw in and fry it together. So just be patient with this and continue to fry for at least 5 minutes before we start throwing in our fish slices. Be gentle and give a good mix before we start pouring in our coconut milk. As you've noticed, I have not added in any water. I'm just continuing to pour in the coconut milk. And once again, I'm going to remind you to be gentle and give this a good mix before we leave it to simmer for at least 10 minutes. As we leave this to simmer, just remember to maintain the fire at medium flame. Now after some time, now that the fish is cooked, we're going to season the gravy with some turmeric powder and we're going to season it with some salt. And this is all it takes to make a quick and easy Ikan Lemak Chilli Padi. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and have fun trying this out, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram at Perfect Eats. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!